I need this to be. Trey, take that upstairs, baby. I need quiet down here. I'm about to make a video. Take it upstairs.
Hey guys, it's Haiden, and today Mommy's going to be trimming my hair.
Alright, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to start off this trim by detangling her hair. Now her hair is dry. Normally I would not detangle on dry hair. I would at least add like a spray detangler or a spray leave-in or even just water. But for this trim, I wanted to detangle it on dry hair because I can really see the ends that are dead pretty much, that are drier and more matted. I can see that a lot better on dry hair. So I'm taking this very flexible detangling brush. It's like a Felicia Leatherwood dupe that I got at Walmart or Target. Actually, I think I got it at Target. And I'm detangling her hair with that. So first, I'm just going to go in for like a broad trim. The ends that are just very rough and scraggly. She doesn't have split ends, but the ends need to go. So I'm doing that. And I'm doing it in about 3 sections. So I did the back part, and now I'm going to do the top 2 sections. And you can see the ends that just, they're thin and just stringy. They need to go. So I'm just gonna finish that up, and I'm going to wash her hair the next day. We ended up doing something else, so I'm gonna wash her hair the next day and let it air dry before I go in and finish up. So this is freshly washed hair. It's about 85 to 90% dry. You can see her curls are so full of life and springy and defined. The only thing in her hair is a leave-in conditioner. So now what I'm going to do is, she's showing you her Cheetos. Always give them a snack. What I'm going to do is go curl by curl and really just see if there's any spots that I missed when I did that pretty general trim yesterday. I'm just going to go curl by curl, and any curls that are not curling on the ends or that are, you know, stringy and need to go, I'm going to get rid of them. So I'm going to let you guys watch that, and that's pretty much all I did for this. I think it's probably been some months since I trimmed her hair. She has had one professional trim, maybe almost 2 years ago, and I will link that video for you guys. But since then, I feel like there's no point in me paying the same amount of money that I pay for my hair for a 7-year-old's hair to be cut, and I can pretty much do it myself. Now, I wouldn't be comfortable adding any kind of shape or anything to her hair, but a trim I can do no problem, and I trim my own hair as well. So yeah, that is all the talking I'm gonna do, and I'll let you guys finish out the video. Don't forget to comment down below, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.